For 99 years, this forgotten giant waited for one impossible transformation. Before luxury could begin, decades of decay had to disappear. What they found inside looked more like a sunken nightmare than a ship. This abandoned ballroom would soon become the heart of pure luxury. Years of darkness vanished under relentless waves of restoration. Every inch of steel carried nearly a century of scars. They weren't just restoring a ship, they were rebuilding history itself. Tons of forgotten debris vanished before the true transformation could begin. Piece by piece, the abandoned giant started breathing again. The vision was bold: turn a ghost ship into a floating ocean mansion. Before beauty, the ship needed strength powerful enough to survive the sea. One ruined cabin became the blueprint for unimaginable luxury. The peaches, natural light returned, revealing the ship's forgotten elegance. Every surface was redesigned to feel worthy of a billionaire mansion. What was once rotten water became an infinity pool above the sea. Modern technology slowly replaced the dangerous systems buried inside. The cold, abandoned lounge transformed into a 5-star masterpiece. The outer decks finally began matching the vision hidden inside. Even the forgotten theater returned brighter than its original glory. With history and modern luxury merged inside every single room. Nothing inside this ship would feel abandoned ever again. The dining hall transformed into something worthy of royalty. Endless corridors slowly evolved into floating luxury galleries. The abandoned decks became private ocean view paradise spaces. Decay vanished above them as luxury slowly took its place. An abandoned ruin turned into a spa overlooking endless ocean horizons. Every polished detail helped erase nearly a century of neglect. These suites now looked more expensive than elite penthouses. Deep below luxury, the mechanical heart returned back to life. The ship finally started feeling alive instead of forgotten. The ocean itself now reflected the ship's new identity. Even the ruined kitchens became worthy of world-class chefs. Every step across the deck now felt smooth and luxurious. The heart of the ship became a palace floating above water. What was once abandoned now looked ready for billionaire guests. Precision craftsmanship transformed every corridor into pure elegance. The forgotten library became one of the ship's most peaceful spaces. The ballroom finally regained the luxury it lost decades ago. The rusted giant now looked reborn against the endless ocean. Modern innovation blended perfectly with timeless ocean elegance. Every dinner would now come with breathtaking ocean views. The ship's darkest rooms became some of its brightest masterpieces. Luxury wasn't rushed. It was crafted with obsessive detail. The upper decks now looked like a private floating resort. They even built an indoor paradise inside the historic ship. Nothing remained of the mold-covered corridors seen at the beginning. These rooms now rivaled the world's most expensive hotels. For the first time in decades, the giant finally shined again. The ship no longer felt abandoned. It felt unforgettable. Every polished surface reflected nearly 2 years of relentless work. This floating mansion now looked beyond anything they imagined. The very last ruined room finally joined the transformation. The restored ship now welcomed sunlight like a brand new beginning. Every deck now looked designed for the ultra-rich elite. The ballroom sparkled brighter than anyone thought possible. The ship's spa now felt like a private wellness sanctuary. Isprennan's final touches slowly transformed craftsmanship into unforgettable luxury. Nobody could believe this place was once completely abandoned. The restored giant finally became the floating mansion they promised. After 99 years, the forgotten ship returned more magnificent than ever. The forgotten ship finally returned, brighter and more luxurious than ever before. The ship's abandoned heart transformed into a floating palace of pure luxury. Every space inside the ship now reflected timeless ocean elegance. The rooftop decks became the ultimate escape above the open ocean. The abandoned ship now contained a peaceful world of luxury and relaxation. Every suite inside the ship felt like a floating ocean penthouse. At night, the restored giant looked like a city floating on water. Every corner aboard delivered breathtaking views and unforgettable luxury. The restored library became one of the ship's most beautiful hidden spaces. Luxury craftsmanship transformed every hallway into a cinematic masterpiece. The upper decks became the most luxurious destination above the ocean. Every sunrise aboard looked more beautiful than the last. Behind every luxury space stood years of precision craftsmanship and design. The transformation turned forgotten corridors into works of architectural art. The restored giant finally returned to the open ocean once again. The legendary transformation created a floating mansion unlike anything before. But from abandoned ruin to ocean masterpiece, the impossible became reality. The forgotten giant sailed again, reborn forever as a floating palace of luxury.